Well, hey guys, I have this very interesting lock by EVVA. I'm suspecting it's pretty old because that's not their current logo. It says DST patent number 152787. I don't know what that says, but I think it says hardened steel. There's the back. It's made of, looks like brass. Kind of an interesting shape. There's the keyway. It's kind of a little mini Y, if you will. I do not have a key for it, and it came in the locked position. Let's see if we can get a little better look at this thing. So that's the locking detainer, and I believe it's integral with the side of the plug. I'm not 100% sure which way it wants to go, but I think it wants to go counterclockwise, or anti-clockwise. And I don't know if you can see on the top here, but in just the right light, there actually are 5 pins, and then that pin holds the cylinder in. So I'm going to give this a go. So I'm going to stop the camera, get this set up in the vise, and see if we can't get her open. All right. There it is, open. Did I make it? Yes, I did. And there it is. So you can see here. It's out of the way. So, EVVA, little bitty lock, SPP'd, finally. So it did go clockwise. This is Alex, thanks for watching, have fun, and please keep it legal. Cheers.